Hello everyone, my name is Susan Koirala. I'm doing my Masters of Networking in MIT Sydney at the moment, and today I'm going to discuss about two different screen monitoring devices or tools in Linux that are ATOP and PowerTop. First of all, I would like to discuss some features of ATOP and PowerTop, and then after that I'll just demonstrate how this tool work in Linux. So let's begin with ATOP. ATOP is a screen monitoring device device mm, that shows the power consumption of all the process and devices of the computer. It also it does not like just shows the power consumption of the device, but also keep the record of the power consumption of the application or the devices that are being used in the background or that were being used before. And it also shows the power consumption of the CPU, networks, and other devices in the computer. On the other hand, PowerTop is a screen monitoring device which was basically developed by the Intel in 2007, but uh, the major difference between PowerTop and ATOP is like PowerTop does not keep the record of the background applications or devices that are being used. It tracks the current application current application that are being used and shows the power consumed by those devices. And it also highlights the critical critical devices or the application that are consuming the high percentage of power uh, in the computer. And it also highlights the power consumption level of the devices. uh, Basically, ATOP alright, basically when ATOP is launched, it shows the system activities of CPU, system memory, disks, and internet or the network. Whereas the PowerTop, when it is launched, calculates the power consumption uh, by different devices in the computer, and also like tries to minimize the consumption of the power and help to extend the battery level of the computer. Now let's go to the Linux terminal and have a look at these these commands for the tools. Alright, I have done some of it before. However, I'll just show you how to run these commands. Let me first update my Linux. Right, takes a little while. Alright, it's been updated, and now let me install ATOP first. Alright, it's been installed. Now I'll run ATOP and show how ATOP works and what ATOP ATOP tool displays or shows when when you run the tool. So for that, you need to write sudo ATOP. There you go. Alright, there you go. It shows CPU, memory, networks, and what are being and the power consumed by them. It also shows um, yep, it tracks the consumption of the power. All right, this is how it works. Now let me show you can also you can also uh, track track the information or send the information into like convert the information or uses by the top into HTML and like which can be seen in browser. For that you need to give a command. All right. You when you hit the command, it gives the HTML link uh, for ATOP to view the details of the users in HTML. All right, let's go to PowerTop. Let me update it before going into PowerTop. Okay, let me install PowerTop first. That's PowerTop. Forgot one. Okay. Okay, it's been installed. Now sudo PowerTop. Alright. That shows the detailed use of the power by different components of the computer. You can see everything here. So yeah, it also shows like 1.9% of CPU's power has been used. So yeah, 2.6 it fluctuates every seconds, so that's wake up seconds. And power estimated, it's displayed in there. Ticket scales, timers, these are all the components of the computer that are using the power. Go back to the terminal, and for the PowerTop also you can convert these sources into HTML. For that you need to type your PowerTop HTML pure PowerTop .html. Okay, this way you can have a look at this usage or consumption of the power by so service and devices in the computer in browser also. Alright, thank you for watching my video.